Hi, I'm Julian, and this is the WLB podcast. Hello. Welcome,
Hello.
everybody, to another episode of the podcast. We have with us Shireen. She is the founder of Nature's Magic. They have soaps being sold and a lot of other things. She also has a YouTube channel uh, where she shares her wonderful recipes. So I'm all ears about all of the creativity that Shireen has, and let's hear it from her. Please do introduce yourself to us.
Well, I'm Shirin Malik, and I'm a teacher by profession, but I like cooking and all these creative things I'm very fond of. And means I have a YouTube channel as well on my cooking. And
Mhm.
I started in this lockdown, and within 2 months, I got more than 1,000 subscribers. And then
Wow.
I shifted my hobby from cooking to soap making, and now at present
Mhm.
I'm doing all natural and organic soap.
Wow. So can you tell me what inspired you to start? First of all, did you do this as a kid before, or did any of your teacher friends actually suggest it? What started?
Mm, no, actually, to be honest, I saw a
Uh-huh.
DIY video of soap making, and that I feel it's very interesting, and that mm, that made me more, to learn more. And so
Mm-hmm.
after that, in this lockdown itself, I search all the where I can learn all these things, and I searched
Mm-hmm.
everything, and then I took a course, and then slowly I started this one.
Oh, nice, nice. So, what do you teach as a subject in your teaching career?
Yeah, I'm an English teacher,
Amazing,
and I
amazing.
used to, yeah.
That's nice. So, I mean, how do you have so time for all of these different passions? Like,
No, if you like something, I think the time automatically comes to you. When you have something to means when you have a passion,
Mhm.
automatically you will make time for that. And same
Amazing.
goes with me as well.
So, how is it like? Does your family help you make the soaps along with you? Is there anybody else in the family who is working with you on this?
No, actually, I'm doing
You're
all by
always.
myself. Yeah, yeah. Sometime I ask my husband to make the labels and all. He
Mm-hmm.
just get them printed, and that's all. Rest, all those creativity things and all, I
Mm-hmm.
do by myself.
That's so nice. So, did
And I
anybody?
love doing. Mhm. I
Mm-hmm.
Please carry on.
So, did anybody support the idea, or was there anybody who was like, "Why do you want to start this right now?" Was there anybody who tried to stop you from doing this?
No, no, no. In fact, my daughter, she encouraged me a lot.
Uh-huh.
She always helped me, and that whatever I want to do, she is always there back behind me to, yes, you go,
Hmm.
just go on, go ahead with it.
Amazing, amazing.
Yeah.
So, does anybody help you with the Instagram marketing, or how is it? Do you post daily on Instagram? What has your journey been with the social media? How does that help you?
Uh, Instagram, it is totally handled by my daughter. She has
Mm-hmm.
whatever she means, whatever soap I make and
Mm-hmm.
design, and she just put everything in the Instagram. And Facebook, I handle. Facebook page, I handle.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's a nice delegation of work.
Yeah. She's quite good in Instagram. So I
Mm-hmm.
told her, you please handle that one, and rest of the thing I'll manage.
I'll manage it. That's nice. So, was there a demand from did you first put up your soaps as like it's called Nature's Magic, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. So, what did you like? Why did you choose the name first? Like, let's just start there. Like, why the name?
But today, whatever, because today what we use mostly are full of chemicals and all.
Mm-hmm.
And this is, since it is chemical free and organic, so it's quite closer to nature. So I thought
Mm-hmm.
it's something like magic. So it's
Mm-hmm.
the name came to my mind. Nature's Magic
Mm-hmm.
will be the appropriate name for it.
Nice. So when did you launch? Was it right from March 2020 last year?
No, 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 no. Just a few months ago, I started means after lockdown, I started taking the courses
Uh-huh.
and started in the October. October itself was I launched
Okay.
this company. First, it was
Okay.
among our friends and family members, and
Mm-hmm.
slowly it's growing.
Outside. That's amazing.
Yeah.
So do you research often on what materials to use, or how long does your like did you have to like all of this time from March to October you were researching on what best
Yeah.
material to use?
Yeah,
How was that
from where
process?
to first I was researching that what from where to take the course.
Mm-hmm.
First and foremost, I wanted to take an offline course because hand to hand teaching is what I
Mm-hmm.
felt will be much better than online. But
Mm-hmm.
then this lockdown started, and so I couldn't, and still I kept on researching that where I can learn. So I searched in the internet, and I got hold of few men's institute from where I can learn. So
Mm-hmm.
I have taken a particular what I'll say recipe or a formula. I have taken 2 3 courses, so I can distinguish. I can make it out whether I'm going in the correct way.
Direction. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah, in the correct direction. So in
Okay.
that way, in the for the same thing, I've taken 2 3 courses, and slowly I could make it out. So
Mm.
after that, I started.
Nice, nice. And did you tweak all of those formulas for your own like do you have a formula of your own now after learning?
Yeah. I have because um, like the things which are good for dry skin, so
Mm-hmm.
which will be suitable for oily skin and for pimples, those who have pimples in acne for them. So after
Mm-hmm.
reading all those things, going through the notes and everything details, so I can make out my own formula, and I
Mm-hmm.
prescribe means I make soaps and scrub accordingly for them.
Oh, nice. I think there's a huge demand nowadays because everybody finds that there's like after a long time, your toothpaste has a lot of sodium and your like every
Yeah,
other thing that you use has a lot of chemicals and people don't really know
chemicals.
about this.
Exactly. Because
Right.
last week we had an exhibition in here,
Mm-hmm.
so I got a very huge response. I was so overwhelmed from the response. I'm really lucky. I was not expecting
Mm-hmm.
the result of what I
Mm-hmm.
got, but
Mm-hmm.
I'm so happy. So I'm thinking it to means make it, and to take it more a long way.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That's nice. So, how did you have a exhibition in near your locality, or was it at a different place?
No, in our locality, and I got an invitation from another means there's a page in Facebook where I often post my things.
Mm-hmm.
So one of the admins, she took my product from me. After
Mm-hmm.
that, after using, she is very impressed, and she is telling me to she is hosting a exhibition very soon, and she
Okay.
is requesting me to display my products as well. But
Nice.
unluckily, I will be not here at that time, so I'm very upset regarding
Oh,
this. I
okay,
have
okay,
to,
okay.
yeah, I have
Okay, okay.
different program at that time.
Mm-hmm. Nice. But then social media is actually helping form connections like
A,
that.
a lot.
Hmm. That's nice. Because I think after the lockdown, everybody was online. You couldn't find
Yeah, yeah. Everybody was more online, and
anyone.
they are.
That's nice, and that's a perfect use of your time. I think nobody's ever. I found this like teachers have been so busy with their schedules teaching, and how did you find the time? I have no idea.
Especially to be honest, I used to do after everybody when they went to bed, then I used to do because
Oh
that is the I want my environment very peaceful so that I can
my.
put my creativity in my soap and
Mm-hmm.
everything, the colors, the design, and everything.
Mm-hmm. That's
So I
that's really
need
nice.
a
So a lot of sleepless nights have been spent over Nature's Magic.
yeah, but I enjoyed them. I enjoy doing that.
That's nice. That's nice. Have your students? Do your students know about this? Do they also come and
Yeah,
buy?
yeah, they buy. They are also buying.
Students and customers now.
Yeah, students are because I put in my WhatsApp status and all. So
Mhm.
since all the students are having their online classes, so most of them have my numbers and they can see my status. As a result, this has become a plus point for me.
That is so nice. That is so nice. So, like, do you have anybody else in your locality who's also making the same kind of products? Is there anybody as a
No,
competition?
no. This is
Uh,
because before learning this, I have searched everything in the internet. Means you can say I have thorough marketing. You can say it
which is
because I
nice.
thought if yeah, because in Calcutta I haven't seen anybody doing this because
Hmm.
it's mostly I've seen because I have learned from a lady and
Hmm.
it's quite popular in the south, but
Hmm.
here you can hardly see very few. I don't
Hmm.
know if somebody does, but
Hmm.
till now I have not came across with anybody who is doing the same.
Wow, that's amazing. So, like, I think you're the first one to reach a lot of customers. Then, if you're the first one in the city of Calcutta to start, which is so nice. So, there has been no guidance. As in, was there anybody else who started a company before this in your family?
Nobody had started. Uh, I'm the first one.
Nice. So, is there anybody else who's working, as in, along with you as a co-partner or a co-founder, or are you
No,
the
I'm
solopreneur?
this solo. Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's nice. Any challenges that you had faced all throughout this period of time, like from October to March, that you felt there was an obstacle?
Not till now, no, because
Mm-hmm.
no, it's going smoothly till now. But
Mm-hmm.
soon I want to register this one, and I want to means register for GST as well.
Mm-hmm.
So in the all those things, because for that I'll get a bigger market. So
Mm-hmm.
I'm looking for that one. Otherwise, no, I didn't find any obstacle or
Mm-hmm.
such till then.
So you plan to make this available in retail stores as well?
Yeah, retail and online, and like I want to sell them on Amazon or Flipkart, like that. Just
Oh, nice,
so,
nice. That is
yeah,
amazing.
yeah.
Wishing you all the best. Wow.
Oh, thank
Good
you so
plans.
much.
Good plans. So, is there anything like supposing if there was another woman like who was reluctant to start her own business, uh, would you do you first of all like do you think women are reluctant to start in your community or locality? Do you think women are very hesitant to start a company? I would just like to know what
Uh,
your thoughts.
no, where I stay, I've seen many of women. They are very enthusiastic to make their own
Mm-hmm.
identity. Like
Mm-hmm.
we have some home baker who bake
Mm-hmm.
cakes, lovely, yummy cakes, and they supply to different places. And
Mm-hmm.
some of them have their own boutique at home. Means,
Mm-hmm.
so I think today nowadays women are means they are thinking of their own identity apart
Mm-hmm.
from being somebody's daughter, sister, mother.
Mm-hmm.
I think they want their own identity, and I have seen many of them, they are going for it, and it's a
That's
good
wonderful.
sign. Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Hmm.
like when you were trying to start this, was there anything that you had to decide upon? If I go with this business, my time is not going to be enough, or based on your I'm just surprised. Like, how do you manage a YouTube channel along with this? What is the process? Like, can you like walk me through a day?
Uh, No, actually, my YouTube channel for that, it was mostly during that lockdown, and since
Mhm.
my kids they were free and and at that time I didn't have any tripod. Or the idea came because I was always very fond of cooking. I have a blog, I have a FB page as well. So
Mhm.
I wanted to start a YouTube channel in this lockdown, and my kids were working
Interesting.
like a cameraman and editor. And so, yeah, so I told them that if you are going to shoot for me, you are going to have nine nice dishes and everything, whatever you want, I'm going to cook for you, all that. So it's like, and they started doing that. So
Mm.
and eventually my YouTube channel came up, and luckily I got so many subscribers in such a small
Short
period.
time. Yeah.
Yeah, very short period.
So do you do that every week? Is it do you shoot every week for your channel?
Yeah, before I used to, but after doing this one, I'm not able to, means giving, not able to justify my YouTube channel. I
Mm-hmm.
have, yeah, I have not uploaded for many, means 2 3 months. So
Okay, okay,
because
okay.
yeah, because I'm getting lots of orders for this soap and all. Everybody liking it. They
Mm-hmm.
want for gifting, because I have hamper box as well. So people are, means they are telling that instead of gifting somebody every year a mug or a photo frame, it's better to give this as a great idea of giving a box of soaps of
Mm-hmm.
different designs and flavor.
Mm-hmm. So, how did you get the idea of starting with different designs? Like, was that a part of your course, or did you see it anywhere else?
No, it was not a part of my course. I saw in after started doing this one, I joined the different pages in Facebook and Instagram, and from
Mm-hmm.
there I got the ideas how to pack the hampers, how to make different types of soaps.
Mm-hmm.
So I have collected lot of knowledges from there, and so trying to implement in my work as well.
Wow. And I mean, I just love those designs. Like, every soap has like it has a rose petal or a heart shape.
Yeah,
Those
yeah.
that is also so pretty. Like
Thank you so
also
much.
I've seen those videos as well, like where diffusers, I think, is that a
Yeah,
soap diffuser?
bath bombs. That is bath bombs,
Bath
and
bombs. Okay, okay.
yeah, yeah, yeah. And I have, and the hot selling is that mermaid. I hope you have seen that video of small mermaid, and the kids are just fond of that.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
does the mermaid is that a soap or is that a bath bomb?
No, it is a soap. It is a soap made
Okay,
up of
okay.
triple butter. I can come and say customize according to the customer's choice. If you have a dry skin, I make of triple
Acha.
butter. If you have an oily skin, I'll make with charcoal. So different varieties according to your need. I'll customize it and I'll
Okay,
give.
okay. So,
Yeah.
did you find any difficulty in trying to get the material? Like, is it very commonly available? I don't know about shea butter.
No,
Is it?
no, it's not because here in Calcutta I couldn't find anywhere. I bring all the way from Bangalore and Coimbatore.
Oh,
Yeah, I have to. Yeah, I bring all my materials from there.
acha, acha. So, do you have
Mhm.
people in Bangalore or
No,
was it?
no, I have. No, no, I don't have. It was all the dealers. I search in the net, and the from the lady who have taught me. She has given few means dealers and numbers, and also
Mm-hmm.
according that way I have got
Okay.
the raw materials. Yeah,
Nice, nice. So, like, I think I really like the dedication that you have. Like, normally when people
thank
try
you.
seeing a DIY, they just do what is shown in that. But you went and researched about what is working for dry skin, what is not working for that. So, that is showing a lot of like, there's a lot of input and hard work behind each small cube. I really like that.
Yeah, because if we'll put our effort, then then it is definitely it will go further. because if
Definitely.
if I just take it lightly, then it is not, because I'm taking this as my business. So
Hmm.
I have to carry it a long way. So if
Hmm.
I'll put more effort, more knowledge, then I'm going to carry it further.
Hmm.
Otherwise, it is not what I feel. Otherwise, it will not go so far.
Of course. So, like, for the scents and the
Excuse me.
perfumes, how is that process happening? Like, do you have to add something specifically, or is that
Yeah.
material? Okay.
Yeah, we have perfume according to means choice, you choice, and if somebody is having some issues with the skin, like
Mm-hmm.
pimples and all, then we put tea
Mm-hmm.
tree essential oil, which is a bit expensive. So according to, as I told, according to your skin type and
Mm-hmm.
your, we use the essential oils and fragrance oil.
Wow, wow. So,
Means
so all of this is there in a catalog in Instagram, or is there a page anywhere else where I can read about it? Like, this is what is going to work, because sometimes I might not know what is going to work for my skin. So, do you write about this in your blog as well, or?
yes, in Instagram you'll find, well, I have because I, in one particular soap I put three pictures. One is about two are the, one is video,
Mm-hmm.
another is a still picture, and another the what it is made up of and what is
It
it
good
is
for?
good for. Yeah.
Oh, okay,
So
okay,
in
okay.
Instagram, that is in I have done in Facebook as well. I have shared that which one is good for what.
Mm-hmm.
So accordingly,
Okay,
my customers can um, select what they want.
nice, nice. So, like, do you find maximum orders coming from Facebook or Instagram? Like, where is the crowd?
Facebook, Facebook.
Facebook.
Yeah.
Okay, 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 nice. And do youngsters like have they had the change of mind? Because I think everybody's like, okay, soap yani ki Lux. Yeah, for you have that concept, right? Everyone has
Yeah,
that
yeah.
brand. So, have you been able to have any conversions of your thoughts?
No, no, no. Actually, first and the foremost thing, whenever they ask me about the soap, first thing I tell them that this is chemical free and 100% natural, which you will not find in Lux or whatever, because the
Ah,
pH balance is very important for our skin. It should be
hmm,
within 8 to 10, because otherwise it will be it's not good for our skin.
hmm,
So I maintain that one as well. So when
hmm.
I tell the customer about this, so, and youngsters, they usually are attracted by the designs and colors
True, true,
and
true.
and the fragrance as well. So
Yeah.
and so it is means when I tell them, then they take it. Yeah.
Hmm. So I would like to ask, like, how did you understand what is the price to put for each product? Like, was there anybody who did MBA or anybody who helped you understand, like, okay, this should
No.
be priced more, or did you just do it yourself?
I do it by myself because I calculate the cost, raw materials, and then
Mhm.
shipping, because I don't get it right here in Calcutta, so I bring
Yeah.
all the way from
Mm-hmm.
Bangalore or Coimbatore. So I add the shipping as well, and so
Mm-hmm.
and I put a certain percentage of my margin, and then I
Mm-hmm.
make the,
Nice, nice.
yeah.
So all your learning, MBA learning, and all is happening on the fly. I think.
All experience. Yeah. My
Yeah, on the
experience
job.
is teaching me. Yeah.
That's beautiful. I think like there is this quote that says going starting one company of your own is enough to teach you everything that in 2 years that you
Yeah,
learn in
yeah,
MBA.
yeah, exactly, exactly.
That's so beautiful. I also saw that website Wix that you've set up from
Yeah,
where
yeah.
people can buy, right? How did your daughter help you with that for setting up the
Yeah,
website?
yeah, I got few orders from them, but mostly I get from friends
Mhm.
and Facebook. Yeah,
So
from
everybody
Facebook.
in your house now uses Nature's Magic soap
Yeah,
only.
yeah, absolutely. First, I told my husband, "You have to buy from me. No other option you have." Uh, because this is I'm starting this one. If you
Mhm.
don't support me, nobody is going to support me. Then I change all my soap at home,
Everybody's.
and everybody is loving this. Not only them, not my family members, even friends. Those who means
Mm.
one thing I must say: those who have bought once, they are coming back again.
Wow, that speaks volumes. Like
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
your quality is amazing then.
yeah, yeah.
I think the colors are also very attractive. That's like I don't see lavender soaps at all or rose color soaps and all in the market. Like if you go to DMart,
Yeah,
we often go to DMart here. We have very
yeah.
limited set of choices there.
Okay.
That's nice. That's nice. I'm
And yeah, I
hoping I
put my yeah.
go
Please
ahead. Go
carry
ahead.
on. No, I put my ideas. I take some ideas from my groups in the Facebook, Instagram, which I follow. So all together, it's come. It's I put everything and my effort and everything. So it's I'm creating something beautiful. I hope.
So did you always want to do this as a child? Was did you ever have a dream like this to start something all by yourself?
When I was a child, I was like happy-go-lucky. I was happy with everything what I have. I never wanted to do any job or something. But after, after my marriage, then I thought, no, even though I had, touch wood, I have a very lovely, loving family. I
Mm-hmm.
felt that something is missing. I should have something of my own, my identity. Then I joined the school,
Mm-hmm.
and I was always inclined to drawing and everything.
Mm-hmm.
I used to like drawing and everything. So slowly, and this is very close to my heart because it is also close to something creativity.
Hmm.
So this touched my heart, and I started doing this, and I'm just loving this.
Mm. That's so beautiful. I think so. If the pandemic had not happened, do you think this would have
Hmm.
happened? Like, would you have
I don't
started this?
think so. I don't think so.
So it's a blessing
It's a blessing in a way
in
you can say.
disguise.
Yeah, yeah, in disguise. Yeah, because we had in pandemic we had lots of free time, so we used to means we thought I will you utilize this time in a very in a better way. So keep on searching what will be more close to my heart. So
Definitely.
in yeah, so slowly this came to me, and I'm just loving it. And what can one expect if you have your means if your passion turns into profession? Then you can expect
Definitely. No,
maybe.
there's somebody who told me this. Like, if you love what you do, like you're not working any day.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
So, do you like? I love the fact that you're actually expanding and thinking of expanding a lot more.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Has the government, the documentation and all process been easy? Has have they been helpful? Like the Akshaya Kendra, I don't know what is required for this, but the Aadhaar processes and all you have to do. Is it hard or is it? Can people also do it? Like, is there enough documentation online to help you understand what to do next for registering yourself?
Yeah, as in the if in this regard, I'll tell you, I'm associated with Shiro's app, and which help women to be independent. And yeah, so they are at present they are doing some kind of internet Sati accelerator program, which I'm also a part. In
Mm-hmm.
that, they are with the help of Google, they are giving training to the village women where
Mm-hmm.
they can be entrepreneur and they can be independent. So
Oh.
since I'm a part of that, so I got a lot of information from there. So how to register your company and all. So
Mm.
excuse me. So I have registered my company through them as well. They have helped me to register this company. So
Okay.
next step is to register for the GST and all,
Mm.
and then I can proceed I can do in a larger scale.
That's amazing.
Mhm.
Have you seen a place for your factory also? In the future, you should have a factory of yourself, no?
Yeah, I want a studio for myself. At present, at present, I don't have, but I want to. I have a dream, you can say. Mm.
Definitely. And I'm rooting for you.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much.
That's nice, nice. I think nowadays, health and beauty, that space is expanding a lot,
A
and
lot.
you can like if you there are physical stores. Like I think Nykaa was initially only on
Yeah.
online, but they also then had like they have like 70 plus physical stores now. So I would really happy to one day realize that Shireen ma'am is actually having a shop of
Oh.
her own where people can walk in and buy soaps.
Oh,
So
that was so sweet of you. Thank you. Even that's
fingers
a
crossed, and
dream come to it would be a dream come true then.
sure, sure. And I'll interview again then.
Yeah, sure, sure. Anytime, anytime.
Yeah, yeah. So thank you so much. Thank you. And
Thank you.
one question though, like, do you ever feel like stopping? Like, do you feel like quitting this anytime?
No, no. This is very close
Definitely.
to my heart. Never. Never.
And you should not as well.
Because
So,
as I told you, miss my sleep and I do at night. So I don't think I'll anything can stop me from doing this.
wow, that's the spirit. That's really nice.
Uh,
I think you're an inspiration to all. Like my mom is an English teacher as well, so I keep
okay.
telling her like do like she likes a lot of things. Like I think all teachers have this variety of passions. It's not one. It's always like multiple things. So you're definitely an inspiration. I'm gonna share this
Thank you so much.
episode with her.
Yeah.
Def-
And I would like to hear from her as well.
yeah, 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 sure. Yeah, I would.
Because we all are inspiration for each other.
Sure.
Mm,
So one last question though, if you
sure.
wanted to advise anybody who is reluctant to start, or who has a lot of ideas and passion, but is
Mhm.
reluctant to start, what would you give them as an advice?
Well, I will say they should go for their whatever their passion and they should go for it slowly. If they are determined, slowly everything will fall in its path and definitely they will be successful. They have to follow
Mhm.
their dream.
Definitely. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, and wish you all the
Thank you so
best.
much. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Hope everybody's buying from Only Nature's Magic. No more Lux.
Thank you so much. Then it would be my dream come true.
Sure.
Thank you.
Thank you. See ya.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you so much for having me here. Bye.
Definitely. My pleasure.
That's it for today. Hope you liked it. If you enjoyed this episode, do share it with your friends. And don't forget to hit follow on Spotify and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay tuned for more episodes and stay safe.